So, dito na kami sa front desk. Ito ang kanilang mga menu. Mga sa boat later. T-shirt sila. Inakyat tayo dito. Ate Precious, vlog.
Welcome to Lisboc, the mini Vietnam of Negros.
Ate Precious.
Sana all.
Dito kita makaan sa gwa ni. Ito lang ang ilang pool. Under construction. Under construction. After kaon?
Balik ko, ang patawag po dito ang makakamastax.
Stocks ang ano? Be, nag-picture ikaw. Video. Ang ano be? Host be? Good morning. Ikaw na be? It's
Good
raining
morning, everyone.
Yeah.
So we are here in Camp Lisboc. Wait lang.
Busy kayo sa tita ni isang kuan. Dali lang nang. So wait, dito tayo. Or saan? Saan ba? Wait lang. Excuse me. Wait lang nang. Ma-intro lang ako. Ma-butang na ako. Ma-discuss dito ikaw. Ma-discuss kita sa kuan. Dali lang. Bago picturean si Ma'am Nanang. So let's share our adventure. So galing kaming Kabangkalan City. It took maybe less than 45 minutes to reach here. Dumaan pa kami sa municipality of Ilog. Then barangay Pinagsuranay. Yan, ganyan. Siya ang salarin. Siya ang salarin.
Sa aming expert.
Hay, dira ta na kita. Kamu lang. Why?
We have
There. From Barangay Villaverde.
Vesta.
Ay!
Alegre.
Ah,
Vista Alegre.
Vista Alegre pala. Vista Alegre.
This is the best here in Lisboc. Di Kawayan.
Kawayan, oo.
Kawayan. What's this?
Oo,
Then we
native.
have the Kawayan design here.
Oo, galing, maganda.
We cut it in a round. We have the big one, the small ones. We have a symmetric. What is this? What kinds of circles? The different sizes of circles. Here. Together with us, we have a
Native.
native
Made of native.
hut
Kalakat na. Kalakat.
using the kawayan or a bamboo strips. Bamboo strips. May mga overnight, nanggalis na dito. Oh,
Rooms.
wala.
Wala.
Some rooms.
Wala siguro overnight dere. They're constructing the pool. Hindi pa siya tapos. Of the menus here, meron silang tinola, native, merong seafoods, merong shells. Ano pa ba in order natin? Then they have shakes. They have shakes and they have native drinks, buko juice, like that.
And we make it what's this?
Materials?
Carvings. So very nice. Style. And here is a lakut.
Model by, ano?
Dali lang.
Shout out.
Together with this halakut. So, swan.
Of course.
The...
Happy naman ang bida-bida niyong tita.
Nakapunta.
Imo. The emo lady.
Dalaga, ha? Muna kita to, kudihin may amo kada, ha?
Ay, mano, ina.
It's raining. Kaya nung papunta kami dito kanina, medyo challenging yung lugar dahil madulas ang daanan at lupa. Then dumaan kami sa two bamboo bridges na may river, of course, kaya hindi siya ganun ano tawag doon, comfortable dahil baka madulas kami.
So,
Tapos ng picture taking.
tapos na ang picture taking. This time naman for vlogging para may pambayad kami sa aming mga nagastos dito. Joke lang.
Walang income.
Please naman guys, maawa naman kayo sa amin.
Ngayon ko lang na-realize, tingnan mo yung kulay ng damit mo at yung nipa.
Yeah.
Similar.
I belong.
You belong here.
Papa, picture ka ba sa campus?
Maulan nang galing. So we are waiting for our orders. Magla-lunch lang. Then after that, mag-boat riding kami.
Yeah.
For boat riding, ilan yun? Magana?
Maximum of 8 persons. I
Maximum
think
of
sa
8
page
persons.
nila parang 300 pesos.
Per head? Hindi ah.
Maximum of 8 may 1.6.
1.6.
1.6. So mag-boat riding kami later.
Medyo maulan na ngayon pero kahit pa paano na-enjoy namin ang vacation mode dito sa Negros. Diba?
It's raining. It is still raining. Pero pinush namin since we were in Kabangkalan City kanina. And we will still tour around the Negros Occidental municipalities later. After here, pupunta kami ng ano yung schedule? I forgot.
No, don't run, RJ. Don't run.
After here, pupunta kami ng Sipalay City. There. Ayun lang for now. This is RJ. Andre, gutom ka na naman. They always gutom. Goodbye. See you soon and see you again. Goodbye.